Boys and girls, today we are going to be reviewing our Module 19 chapter. First thing we're going to do is put your name on it, Shook. Put your name on it. These get turned in, remember. So we're going to review everything we have learned so we are ready to take that test. First, we're going to start with our vocabulary. And we're going to draw lines to match the description to the term. So we have x-axis, x-coordinate, y-axis, y-coordinate. So remember, the axis is different from the coordinate, so be careful with that. And remember, you can always go back in your book. These words are in your book where we've been doing our work as we've gone through this chapter. So flip back and see what they say to double check yourself. So let's do a couple of these. So the first one says the horizontal numbered line on a coordinate grid. The horizontal number line on the coordinate grid. So horizontal, like the horizon of the sun, okay? That is going to be the x-axis. So we get to go straight across for that one. All right, and then let's look at the last one. The second number in an ordered pair. Remember, an ordered pair is like 1, 2. The second number, is that the x-coordinate, y-axis, or y-coordinate? I know that first there's x and then there's y. Oh, so that one is also straight across. So I want you to think which would make the most sense for these other two. All right, let's look at number 2. Which point is located at 5, 2? Remember, we go right, then up. We go right up. So I need you to do that. Go to the right 5, go up 2, and see where you are. Even though this is labeled 2, 4, 6, 8, we know that in between 0 and 2 is 1. 2 and 4 is 3. So don't let that mess you up. So I want you to do that one on your own. Number 3. 3 vertices of a rectangle are located at 8, 5, 6, 5, and 6, 2. Graph it. Where is the fourth one and what is the perimeter? Several things going on. So let's graph this one together. The first one is 8, 5. I go to the right 8. I go up 5, which I know is between the 4 and the 6. So 8, 5. I like to check them off when I do them. Next we have 6, 5. 6, 5. And 6, 2. 6, 2. Alright, so this is going to be your job. Where is the fourth vertex located? So you're going to write an ordered pair, whatever the two numbers are. You're going to put 1, 2, or whatever they are. Remember, you're making this a rectangle. I'm going to go ahead and connect what I have. There's only one spot that would make sense to make this a rectangle. So graph it, tell me that ordered pair. Then what is the perimeter? Remember, for the perimeter, we'll write it over here. Add all the sides. So for example, right here, if I count from point to point, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's just say that it's that. So I'd have 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So the perimeter would be 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, sorry about that. So I want you to do that here. Remember, from here to here is 1. From here to here is 2. So this is 1. So make sure you do both things for number 3. Number 4, what is the distance between the points 5, 3 and 5, 5? tell the strategy or tool you'll use, explain your choice, and find the answer. So you need to find that answer. What is the distance? The strategy I would use would be graphing it. I'd use this one right here. I'd graph those, and then I would tell the answer. All right, number 5. Point A has coordinates 3, 4. Point B is 2 units farther from the y-axis than point A. So which ordered pair represents the coordinates of point B? Remember where the y-axis is. Here's the x, here's the y. So if it says it's farther away from the y, that means this x-axis has to be bigger, right? To get it farther from that. So I want to see what you guys will choose for that one. On the back, in the graph, what could the point located at 6, 3 represent? I need you to look at the title. Look at the labels. It tells you what it's about or what it represents. But I need you to look here and say, okay, here's what the title, here's what the labels are. So this must mean this and this. Okay, number 7. Chelsea and Melissa are writing number patterns. Chelsea starts at 0. I'm going to write C for Chelsea, starts at 0. And uses the rule add 2, then multiplied by 2. Melissa starts at 2 and uses the rule add 4. Select all the ordered pairs that could be in their pattern. And it tells me that the x coordinate is Chelsea, the y coordinate is Melissa. So you need to follow their pattern, write their ordered pairs, and see how many. There's more than one. Select all that do that. So let's do the first couple for Chelsea, but you're going to have to continue to make these. So Chelsea, add 2, multiplied by 2. All right? So, I'll take this space up here. 0, add 2 is 2, multiply by 2 is 4. Let's do another one. Plus 2 is 8, multiply by 2 is 16. Alright, for Melissa, start at 2 and uses the rule add 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay? So already, I can say I know B is one of the answers because I have 0, 2. And I know that A is wrong. And let's see here. And I can keep on going to see which other ones will match up. So remember, we add 2, multiply by 2. Uh-oh, I did something wrong up here. Add 2 is 6. Sorry. That's 12. I knew I had done something wrong here. So 12, 10 is also right. So sorry, guys. Keep going because we need to see, are these going to be in our pattern also? So keep doing that to see how many more. And 8. For every 2 tablespoons of butter, Sasha uses 3 tablespoons of flour for her sauce. Complete the table and graph the ordered pairs. What is the relationship? So make sure that you answer what is the relationship. So finish filling out the table, graph it over here, and then tell the relationship, like you always multiply the butter times 2, or whatever you notice about this, okay? And that's what you're going to do to review for today. Do your best.